Hey guys, Kimika here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how I cook my version of the Filipino dish, adobo. It is one of the simplest thing you can cook as a Filipino. You don't need a lot of ingredients for this. All you need is pork, onion, if that's optional, garlic, lots of garlic, soy sauce, vinegar, black pepper, sugar, and did I say vinegar? Yeah, you need vinegar or apple cider. It doesn't matter. Some Filipinos like to put pineapple or potatoes. I'm gonna make this simple as much as I can. So hopefully you like my recipe. Remember, pork, vinegar, soy sauce, black pepper, garlic, bay leaves. Don't forget the bay leaves, and sugar. Sugar is optional, like I said. So let's get started. Alright guys, I'm making my adobo. So what you need now is some oil. Any oil will do. I'm using olive oil here. So I'm going to be cooking about 600 grams of pork that I've cut into tiny slices like this. Right? So just put it on here. Let it brown for about 3 minutes. Alright, now you just want to add your garlic. Lots and lots of garlic. This is about 6 cloves of garlic. 6 or 7 cloves of garlic. Chopped finely like this. Just want to cook that in low medium heat. Actually medium heat, right? Okay. So I just want to cook the garlic slowly. You don't want it to burn quickly because when you cook garlic slowly, it excretes garlic oil, which enhances the flavor of your food. That's why a lot of garlic flavored or anything that has garlic in it smells really good. That aroma, you want that aroma to infuse with the meat juices right here. Right, so I'm just gonna cook this for about 4 minutes under low heat. Alright, now that's been cooking for about 4 minutes and I can already smell the aroma of garlic. I'm gonna add about a cup of water. Into a cup of water, I'll add about half a cup of soy sauce. You can use any soy sauce. I would suggest using Filipino soy sauce or Kikkoman or anything that's available. So, half a cup of soy sauce. Alright, and to that, you're gonna start adding your ground black pepper, and try to use the ground black pepper, not powdered pepper. Ground black pepper powder. You want to be able to taste some of those black pepper. Okay. Okay, so after that, you just want to add your vinegar. I would put about 1/4 of a cup of vinegar. And we're gonna add some more later if we need to. Maybe a bit more. Right. So here in Asia, in Hong Kong, I use chicken powder. If you don't have chicken powder, you can use chicken bouillon, which is also just as good. So I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of that here, just to enhance the flavor. And you don't want to mix that. You just let it simmer for about maybe 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so at this point, you just want to cover this. Alright, Leave it in low, medium heat. Oh my god, I forgot. Hold on. I forgot to add... You need to add bay leaves here. Bay leaves. So dried bay leaves, okay? Not the fresh. I'm not sure if you can use the fresh ones, but I always use dried bay leaves when I make adobo. So let's put about 3 small dried leaves like this. Let's crash that. Put it there. Let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Low heat, okay guys? Low heat, don't forget. And I'll see you in about 30 minutes. Oh my god, I can see my hand here. Lol, look at that. Hello guys, can you see me here? Lol. Roxy. Roxy. Sit, 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 roll, Roxy, roll, roll. You fat ass. Alright guys, it's been 30 minutes. Let's see. Oh wow. Smells really good here. Alright, so at this point, after 30 minutes, you just want to raise the heat to about medium low or medium. And you're gonna cook this for another 30 minutes, okay? But the reason why you have to turn it up a bit is to release some of the alcohol, not alcohol. Is it alcohol? From the vinegar. You want that smell to go, the acidity. So you want that to condense, evaporate, yeah. Evaporate away. So just leave it open. And also, you want to add some sugar just to balance the sweetness out. Okay, so I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of sugar. Trust me, it's not gonna make it so super sweet. It's just gonna balance it out. Okay, guys. Right. And do not, I repeat, do not add any salt to this whatsoever. You do not want to add salt to your adobo. You want the flavor to come from the soy sauce, the saltiness from the soy sauce. You want this, another reason why you want to keep it open and turn the heat up a bit is to have the juices reduced to about half, 50% of what it currently has. You want it to be a little thicker, because adobo really is, you know, just some Filipino stew, pork stew. Okay, the reason why we put vinegar here is because back in the day when we didn't have fridges or coolers, using vinegar was the only way. What was one of the only ways to preserve things to make them last longer. So adobo actually tastes so much better the longer it marinates. So if you have if you're gonna cook adobo tomorrow, marinate it now in soy sauce, like a tablespoon of soy sauce, and that's it. It's gonna absorb the flavor. And when it's also left over, if you eat it tomorrow after you're cooking it today, if you eat it tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, it's gonna taste even better. Right, so you're gonna just want to cook this for about 30 more minutes, okay guys? Medium heat now, or medium low heat, depending on your range, your gas stove range. Yeah, so I'll see you in about 30 minutes.